if you're a student who just finished writing JAM examination, any examination, and you have a lot of time, probably 6 months, 1 year, and 1 year and 6 months before you enter university or take any other examination. Probably for those guys who just finished writing WAEC and you still have a lot of time before you write your JAM examination. Now, instead of just staying at home doing nothing and wasting time, you can do these 5 things that will help you secure your future. Now, these are 5 things if you put your mind to take your time to do them very well. Now, when other people are complaining that they don't have money and things are hard for them, right? You will not be complaining. Now, these are five things I would recommend for you to do, especially for those of you who enter university, right? You should probably just finish writing JAM examination and I want you what to do next. So these are 5 things I would suggest for you to do what to start doing. Now, each of them are very, very important, so please pay close attention to them. The first one is what? Learn high income skill. Now, as a student who just finished writing JAM examination, one of the best you can ever do to yourself is to pick any of the high income skill, digital skill that you can learn and master. And once you learn and master this skill, you start making a lot of money. So instead of just staying at home, wasting time playing video game or gisting, right? Pick one of the high income skill and start learning. Now, so yeah, digital skill, any of the high digital skill, you can use your phone to learn, right? So you can either pick copywriting, freelancing, video editing, graphic design, AI automation, and the rest. Starting a YouTube channel, learn any of these high income skill, and it's going to be of great help to you. Now, if you are interested to learn any of these high income skill that you know that is going to help you, now leave a comment section and I will put a video on that for you, right? And the second thing I will actually recommend for you to do is what? Start up a side hustle or a business. Now, if you have mastered any skill at all, or if you know anything you can use to make money, start double down on it. Do you understand? Now, some persons will start looking for job. Now, if you save your parents or you have somebody that is supporting you, now, or you have the parents, now look at ask yourself, what can I do that will bring me money? Because as a student who just finished writing examination, understand that you have great tasks ahead. Just that you have great tasks ahead. Like, time come when you require money to do something, right? And you don't have to meet your parents all the time. If you are 15, 16, 17 years old, right? Understand that very soon you get to your 20 years old. What you do in between your 15, 16, 17 before you get to your 20 goes a long way to affect your future. Do you understand? Now, while large majority of the students will start looking for job, right? I would suggest that start a side business, start a side hustle. If you are like the side hustle, I mean that if you have any skill you already learn and master, probably you have learned and master graphic designing. Think of a way to start monetizing. Think of a way to start getting clients and improving on it, just and to get more money. Or if you have any idea of a business, right, start that business immediately. Just start as little as possible. Start from where you are. Look around your environment and ask yourself, okay, I want to start this business, right? I want to start a business. What business can people around me buy, right? Can you have selling of clothes, doing of POS, selling of snacks, anything at all? Just start. The goal is just to start. Most times, what we start with is not what we are going to end with. When we start something, the market will now start telling us what to do next, right? So many people started for somewhere, but it's not where the ended up, right? As time move on, you start seeing some changes. You now start upgrades. So start a side hustle or start a business. It's going to be of great help to you. Now, the third thing I will actually help. The third thing you should start doing is what? Improve your academic readiness. Now, you just finish writing examination, either JAM or WAEC examination. You don't want to just stay like that without reading. You need to start improving your academic readiness, especially for those of you who want to further your education. You don't just want to end in secondary school or your JAM like that. You want to go to university or college of education or improve, go further, right? Now, you need to start improving your academic readiness. In the sense that, what do I mean? If you want to study medicine and surgery, now that you have finished writing JAM here, it's not time for you to just pack all your book and just do it like that, because you know that post-JAMB exam is coming up, right? So what you want to do here is to set up like 2 hours or 3 hours every single day reading, right? Now you have written JAM examination, you have written the JAM examination, you know your weaknesses, you know the area you're good at, you know the area you're not good at, right? So instead of just staying like that doing nothing, pick 2 hours or 3 hours every single day reading, right? Research about the school post-JAMB you are going to write, right? They get some materials and start reading. Do you understand? Now, but what I would encourage is that it's not just the academic readiness. Start learn AI digital skill and start the side also. Do you understand? Very important. They improve your academic readiness. Now, the fourth thing I would suggest for you to do is what? Build a strong mindset and personal development. Look at something here. What will make you go far is your personal development. Invest in yourself. Just invest in yourself through books, through podcasts, and the rest. Look for the area you really want to improve on. Is it on business? Is it on your personal development? Is it on religion? Improve in your personal development. Read books like Atomic Habits, Power of Self-Discipline by Britain. Research about books and be of great help to you. If you know that you want to produce video on personal development and mindset building, leave a comment section. Then I will look for a way to start producing video on that. Last thing I will actually suggest for you to start doing is look for an alternative, right? Plan for an alternative. Now, probably you're going for medicine and surgery, right? Or you're going for engineering. But if, for example, now if your JAMB did not get to that cutoff mark in that school, what are you going to do here? You need to start prepare alternative. So what will happen? What will I do next if this did not come to plan? Just now, because some places waste time. They say that it's messy or nothing at all. Which that is good on more serious note. But what you need to do here is that people who know study medicine still succeed in life. Just now, so you need to plan for an alternative, especially if you know that age is not on your side. If age is on your side, then you can afford to write on that JAMB. Probably if you don't meet up with the cutoff mark, just now can afford to write on that JAMB, right? But what I want you to do is here that do these 5 things I've just explained in this video, and you see your step moving in the right direction, right? Now, because what you do now goes a long way to affect who you become in the next 5 years. Do you understand? So you're planning yourself 5 years ahead. So instead of wasting the time that you have now, you need to start planning yourself ahead. All these videos is helpful. If any of these points resonate with you, if there's anything you want to do in this video, out of the 5 things I've just said, leave it in the comment section. Just that if you need any help on anything here, also leave it in the comment section, and I will produce video on that. All these videos is helpful. Please like and subscribe and share this video so that other people can also see this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.